Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math problem. 9 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 162. Can you solve this? But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then we have the given equation. 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 162. 9 is equal to 3 square. Then this 9 raised to power s plus 1 can be written as 3 square to the power of s plus 1 is equal to 162. Now take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Now this can be written as 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by x, 2x plus 2 multiplied by 1, 2 is equal to 162. But 162 is equal to 2 multiplied by 81, and 81 is equal to 3 raised to power 4. Then this is 3 raised to power 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 4. Now this can be written as 3 raised to power 2x multiplied by 3 square is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 4. Let us divide both sides of this equation by 3 square. This divided by 3 square, and this divided by 3 square. This 3 square cancel this 3 square. 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by this 3 raised to power 4 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 over 3 square can be written as 3 multiplied by 3. This 3 cancel this 3, and this 3 cancel this 3. 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 square. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 3 raised to power 2x is equal to log 2 multiplied by 3 square. Then if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then this is 2x log 3 is equal to log 2 plus log 3 square. Then 2x log 3 is equal to log 2 plus 2 log 3. Let us divide the whole of this equation by log 3. This divided by log 3, and this divided by log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. 2x is equal to log 2 over log 3. If you split this, plus 2 log 3 over log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. 2x is equal to log 2 over log 3 plus 2. Then take note of this, that if you have log a over log b, this is equal to log a base b. So this is 2x is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 3. But we are looking for the value of s. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 2. So x will be equal to 2 plus log 2 base 3 over 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 162. Then here, this is 9 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus 1. This over 2 must be equal to 162. So this is over 1. Then we have 3 square to the power of 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus 2 all over 2 must be equal to 162. These two cancel these two. Then we have 3 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus 2 must be equal to 162. These 2 plus 2, that is 4. We have 3 raised to power 4 plus log 2 base 3 must be equal to 162. 3 raised to power, this can be written as 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 must be equal to 162. 3 raised to power 4, that is 81 multiplied by the whole of this is, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So is 2 must be equal to 162. 81 times 2, this is 162, is equal to 162, which is true. Now let us solve this using another method called method 2, which is the method of natural logarithm. We have the given equation 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 162. And this is the same thing as 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 square. Then 3 square, that is 9. We have 3 raised to power 2s is equal to 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18. Now let us take the natural log on both sides of this equation. We have ln of 3 raised to power 2s is equal to ln of 18. 2x ln of 3 is equal to ln of 18. Then let's divide both sides by ln of 3. This divided by ln of 3. This ln of 3 cancel this ln of 3. 2s is equal to ln of 18 over ln of 3. 2s is equal to ln of 18 divided by ln of 3. That is 2.6309. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by 2. Then s will be equal to 1.31545. This is the value of s. If you use your calculator, you can see that you can solve this in less than 1 minute. Let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation 9 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 162. Then 9 raised to power 31,545 plus 1 must be equal to 162. This is 9 raised to power 2.31545 must be equal to 162. Then 9 raised to power 2.31545 is equal to 161.9947, which is approximately equal to 162. Therefore, the left hand side 162 is equal to the right hand side 162, which is true. And if you don't want to use your calculator and you want to leave your answer in natural logarithm form, from 2s is equal to ln of 18 over ln of 3. Then 2s will be equal to ln of 18 can be written as ln of 9 multiplied by 2 over ln of 3. And this is 2s is equal to ln of 9 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. Then 2s will be equal to ln of 9 can be written as ln of 3 square plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. 2s is equal to 2 ln of 3 over ln of 3 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. This cancel this. 2s is equal to 2 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. Then s is equal to 2 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3 all over 2. This is the final answer in natural logarithm form. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.